We're diving into the Cécred Reconstructing Treatment Mask, where it promises what users say and whether it's legit or a scam. First, the product page itself states it's designed to reduce hair damage, increase visible strength, and improve shine after one use. Let's look at what real users report. On Reddit, a user says, "The Cécred Reconstructing Mask is very good. My hair felt so soft, I am very impressed." Another thread notes mixed feedback. Some report healthier scalp, less shedding, more strength. Others complain about strong scent or that they can't justify the price. On Trustpilot, there are negative reviews. One user says their hair felt stringy and heavy, almost greasy, and another claims it led to breakage around the hair edges. One more reference point. A beauty writer tested the full Cécred line, including this mask, during a heat wave and concluded the mask neatly repaired and revitalized hair, given shine and softness beyond what the other steps alone did. So for the final verdict, the evidence is mixed but leans positive for those with damaged, heat stress, or chemically treated hair. There are user reports of issues, especially around scent, heaviness, or adverse effects in sensitive hair types. But there is enough credible praise and third-party testing to suggest it is not a scam. It appears to be a genuine product with real effects for many users. The Cécred Reconstructing Treatment Mask is legit, but not flawless, then for some hair types potentially problematic for others.